Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Make an iCloud or computer backup now so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once backed up, make sure the iPhone is plugged in or above 50% battery and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Updates often exceed 1 GB. Next, check available storage and clear space by offloading unused apps or media. Then open Settings, go to General, and tap Software Update to start the process. You tap Download and Install, and when prompted, enter your passcode to authorize the action. While the file downloads, keep the device connected to power and Wi-Fi. Pauses or failures are most often due to network drops. If storage is tight, the installer may temporarily remove apps and restore them after. This is normal. For large updates or flaky Wi-Fi, connect the iPhone to a computer and update via Finder or iTunes for a steadier transfer and fewer interruptions. Once installation finishes, you'll see a reboot. Let the iPhone restart fully, then sign in to your Apple ID if asked, and walk through any feature or privacy prompts. Make sure apps are updated in the App Store so they match the new iOS. Outdated apps can misbehave. If the update fails, don't panic. Reboot the phone, free extra space, and retry. If it still won't install, connect to a computer and use recovery mode in Finder or iTunes to restore and reinstall iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.